I'm Andy Luasis, owner and founder of Core Fitness Miami. Here at Core Fitness Miami, we offer physical therapy, chiropractic, stem cell injections, PRP, and personal training. We cater to everyone from your busy executives to house moms to pro athletes. Cuban American, born and raised Miami, first generation here. My parents came from Cuba with nothing. So in 2007, I founded Core Fitness Miami out of the trunk of my car. I bought, scrapped up some weights, some medicine balls, some bands, whatever I can get with whatever little cash I had. Eventually, people, gave me a shot. And from there, I started to grow little by little, and then eventually progressed to what we have now. COVID-19 was revolutionary. It felt like my world was coming down in front of me. I've been working my butt off for 13 years. It was a pretty emotional moment. I felt like, okay, this is what it takes to bring me down. But with technology, I was able to survive and keep going, and actually keep growing, not just survive, but thrive. Teams was essential for staying in business during the pandemic. We were just based on in-person training, some house calls, but most people would fly into Miami to train with us, pro athletes from France, from Australia, from around the country. The pandemic made us adapt and made us change into that technology-forward mentality that we didn't have before. Technology empowered us to stay open and to basically go virtually overnight. It was seamless. You just download Microsoft Teams, use it. It was friendly for everybody, and it was pretty easy. There you go, that's it. Well, that's better. Now it's naturally become part of what we offer. We didn't offer online or virtual training before. I didn't really think about it. I didn't really consider it as an option for our clients, but it's a perfect fit. Technology is going to play a crucial role in our everyday environment, whether it's training or physical therapy or chiropractic, whatever service we're offering. I think it's a crucial part of what we're doing, and Microsoft 365 Teams is going to stay part of our everyday routine. During these unprecedented times, Core Fitness Miami has learned that we actually are limitless, that technology can take us to somewhere that we didn't think we could go before. Offering services that are usually in-house or in a gym or on a medical table, now we can offer it through a laptop, through a phone, from your home or from anywhere. So it's been an incredible learning experience.